Yeah, so life as a hypersensitive individual growing up with people who don't understand. Slightly off kilter. Yeah, it's like most things in life, eh? Slightly off kilter. Okay, what's going on here? Bear with me. Bear with me. We'll get back to the story. Okay. We're good. Not bad. I press a button and things happen. What can I say? Itches, in this case. So what were we talking about? Oh yeah, being hypersensitive. Hypersensitivity. Highly sensitive. An emotional individual. Yeah. My parents were somewhat that way too, but they couldn't deal with it. Being a kid. You know, sometimes you just want quiet time. Quiet. You know, I used to wait for like, oh man, 9 o'clock at night. 9 o'clock at night. That was, oh yeah, that was a good time. Because then I could go soak in the tub and just relax. You know, the kid was in bed. You know, everything was. But that's too bad. You know, if I could do it over again, I would. Hopefully better. It would be differently. I'd make different mistakes. So anyways, my parents couldn't deal with me. They couldn't deal with themselves, really. Emotional tools, that's what I was saying. You know, you've got to be emotionally available to your kids. And in order to do that, you have to be emotionally available to yourself. You have to analyze your emotions a little bit. Yeah, you have to work on things. You have to work on things. Your triggers, as they call it. You know, that's what they are. I mean, somebody will say something and it'll trigger response within you. You know, what? You know, you can analyze those. You know, why do you trigger over those things? Eh? Anyways, because I talk about shit like this, and because I'm like this all the time, I find myself the odd chicken in the hen house occasionally. You know, the chicken in the hen house with the spot on it. All the other ones want to peck. So, I mean, if you're the same way, you probably find the same thing, you know. It's just, hey, it's real easy to peck on this guy because he's different. He's different, but... Oh, toe the line. Different is good. Don't want to be the same. Yeah. Difference is good. The idea is you want to expand yourself so that, you know, you understand all the others too, eh? Like I said, have a big bubble. Big bubble. Yeah. Comfort zone. Anytime you see a comfort zone, blow it up. Yeah. Add some air to that. Ooh, that bubble's pretty tight. It's gonna blow. Like I said, yeah. Well, anyways. I have said it before. Maybe you weren't listening. I may not even have recorded it. That's okay. Basic chords, but F and C is hard for me. I'm working on it. then I'll practice on the Fs. But I always cheat. I like a low F. For some reason I have the, well, everybody does the two fingers at the end, this one here, where you got to do both those strings. I have a hard time doing that. It's not bad. Got to pick out the notes one at a time, Yeah. So anyways, I always do my F like this, with the bar. Then I use a low F. I just use my fingers. So, anyways, I should try finding a pick. I should find a practice with it. It's like finger picking with your banjo, man. You gotta use a finger pick. Say, everybody wants to do it just with your fingers. Just, it's really easy. You want to use your fingers, but you gotta use finger picks. Because then, if you ever want to play with anybody, in order to be heard, you need to pick. Okay? Everybody's going, can't hear you. Oh, yeah, that was pretty good, but I can't hear you. Yeah, I know. That's because I'm shy. Yeah. Oh, well, what can you do? Well, of course I'm drinking beer. How do you think I freaking do videos? Jeez. I get. Well, time to cut back that coffee. So, if you ever wondered what my Tuesday at 2 show is about, my live show, that's pretty much it, yeah. It's supposed to be a Q&A. If you have questions about, making gaming terrain type stuff for little houses, for UAVs or whatever. Or you can't find the foam and stuff and you want to know how to make something out of cardboard, Got questions? You can ask me that, and I'll tell you how I would approach it. It may not be the right answer, but it would be what I would probably try to do first. And then if that doesn't work, you can ask me another question. So that's what Tuesday at 2 is about. But usually it's topic du jour, and I just kind of yak about what everybody wants to yak about, or whatever I feel like yakking about if nobody's asking me anything. Excuse me. Any questions? Yeah, I am pretty sure. So, anyways, since I really got to get back to the gaming terrain type stuff, but I am waiting for spring, and I've been really busy. I've had to rent out my place, and needed a tenant switch, so I had a whole bunch of renovations to do, and painting and stuff like that to do, advertising, and slum learning type shit. So, fine language. I don't want to run over, so yeah, I will get back to the other videos soon-ish. Okay? Thanks. Hey, thanks for watching.